Did you know there are specific AI skills that could unlock the path to becoming a millionaire? Even if you're starting with zero tech experience. If you've wondered what you need to learn to join the new elite, I'm about to reveal the exact AI skills every future millionaire needs. Hi, Alex here. A little while ago, I was honestly overwhelmed by all the AI buzz. You'd hear about these overnight millionaires everywhere, and I just couldn't figure out what skills I really needed. I tried lots of different courses but felt totally lost, especially since I don't come from a tech background. Then I found a simple, focused way forward, and everything changed. Now I'm actually on track to hit my first million. If I can do it honestly, anyone can. And there's a secret you'll want to stick around for. Becoming an AI millionaire doesn't have to mean mastering every technical detail yourself. I'll reveal what I mean at the end, so keep watching. Before we get to that, let's get real for a second. AI is shaking things up fast. The old way of building wealth, get a good job, be frugal, patiently invest, well, that just doesn't cut it anymore. The new millionaires? They're the AI power users. People who combine practical AI skills with entrepreneurial smarts. So, which AI skills actually matter? And how do you turn those skills into 7 figures? Don't worry, you don't need some fancy degree or even a tech background. I'm going to break down 9 high-impact AI skills that millionaires are using. And I'll show you how to get started with each one, step by step. By the time you finish this, you'll have a clear roadmap you can start following right away. Step 1. Master the power of prompt engineering. Think of prompt engineering like your golden key, knowing exactly how to talk to AI so it gives you the answers you want. Why is this important? Because garbage in means garbage out. The right prompt basically turns AI into a money-making machine. How to get going? Define the role you want AI to play, like act as a marketer. Give it data and examples. Be specific about what you want, and ask for your output in a certain format. Say, bullet points. Pro tip. Practice by asking AI to help solve a real problem in your business or even your daily life. Keep tweaking your prompts until the output is pure gold. Step 2. AI-assisted software and no-code app building. Good news. You don't have to know how to code to launch apps or automate tasks anymore. With drag-and-drop AI builders, anyone can create digital products, automate parts of their business, or solve personal pain points quickly. How to start? Pick a problem you want to solve, then use tools like Replit, Agent, Bolt, or others to chat with the AI and let it write the code for you. It's already happening. People with zero coding experience are building and selling AI-powered apps right now. You can just tell the AI what you want and it builds it for you. I know. Incredible, right? Oh, and remember that secret I mentioned? It makes the process quicker for anyone, even if you're just starting out. We'll get to it soon, I promise. Step 3. AI-driven design and creative automation. These days, it's your creativity that counts more than technical know-how. Generative AI helps you design logos, marketing assets, even websites, in minutes flat. Designers who know how to harness AI tools are in high demand. Try stuff like Midjourney for visuals, Canva for graphics, Figma for UI design, and experiment with AI plugins. Make AI your creative partner. By the way, there are new tools and huge improvements happening in the existing tools all the time. Just keep an eye on the latest developments, and you'll stay ahead of the 95% who think AI is too hard to use right now. Step 4. AI video and audio editing. Video editing used to be a total time sink and pretty technical, but now AI can help cut, enhance, and even create video content for you. That frees you up to focus on storytelling instead. You can start with tools like Opus, Firecut, or Synthesia to quickly repurpose, clip, or generate videos for yourself or clients. And with social media craving short videos, this skill is hot. Step 5. AI writing and content marketing. Businesses will pay handsomely to get newsletters, articles, email campaigns, or social posts that are crafted or polished by AI. How to start? Use AI to pull gold from transcripts, turn simple ideas into compelling content, sharpen your copy, or create fresh writing styles that connect with your audience. Step 6. No code, AI, workflow automation. Lots of businesses waste tons of time on repetitive tasks. AI automation boosts efficiency, cuts labor costs, and people who know how to do this can command top consulting fees. Begin by mapping out workflows like sales, support, or onboarding. Then try tools like N8N, Make, or Zapier to build automations. No coding needed. Focus first on automations that save money or make money. Step 7. AI data analysis. Every business needs to make data-driven decisions, and data's exploding. AI helps clean, enrich, and extract insights from massive datasets, finding opportunities and cutting risks. Start by using AI to organize info, spot hidden trends, and present clear, actionable recommendations. Learning how to ask for insights is key. Step 8. AI agent development. AI agents, think smart bots working 24/7, are taking over whole job functions. The folks building, deploying, and managing these agents are creating recurring revenue and scalable businesses. How to begin? Define what you want the agent to do: bookings, support, or any other business process you need help with. Train it with real examples. Watch how it performs and tweak it to improve. The more specialized your agent, the more valuable it becomes. Step 9. The Millionaire meta skill. Opportunity identification. This is your secret weapon. The #1 skill separating new AI millionaires isn't just technical knowledge. It's the ability to spot gaps and unmet needs and use AI to fill them. AI's great at remixing existing stuff, but humans are way better at seeing what's missing. Combine your gut feeling about what people want with AI's power to execute, and you'll always stay ahead. Keep asking yourself, where is the pain? What's broken that AI could fix? Is there a faster, easier, or more enjoyable way to do this? Here's a simple, proven roadmap. Pick one AI skill that fits your strengths or what interests you most. Master that skill and use it to get a real-world result. Start small: a side hustle, a client, or your own project. Document your achievements. Share your wins, case studies, or examples, even if they're tiny at first. Don't forget, you don't have to learn everything yourself. You can hire help on sites like Fiverr or Upwork, or you can even partner up with people who have skills you don't. Layer skills as you grow. The biggest opportunities come where different AI skills intersect. Productize and scale. Once you nail that one win, turn your skill into products, services, or systems that basically sell themselves, freeing you up for new ventures. Now, before we get to the secret I promised earlier, I want to say this. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed or even doubting whether you're smart enough to do any of this, you're not alone. Most people see AI as something complicated or out of reach, but here's the truth. If you've watched all the way to this point, it's a sign you're ready for change. AI isn't just for coders or techies. Right now, there's never been a bigger demand for people who can bridge the gap and help businesses adopt AI. The world needs practical problem solvers, people just like you. The only thing standing between you and your first win is getting started. Trust me, even the top creators and consultants began knowing basically nothing and learned by trying, tweaking, and stacking small wins. Your journey to mastering AI skills starts with that single first step. Okay, here's the secret I promised you earlier. You don't actually have to learn how to automate every task with AI from scratch. Loads of brilliant techies have already done the hard work, sharing templates for platforms like Make, N8N, and more. Many are totally free. All you really need are the basics, a little bit of curiosity, and the willingness to grab a proven template and tweak it for your needs. That means you can start automating your business, saving hours, and boosting profits without ever writing a line of code. How cool is that? Honestly, there's never been a better or easier time to build wealth with AI. If you're ready to start taking action, the only way to lose is by standing still and waiting. So pick your AI skill, take that first step, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. If you don't have a business yet, check out this video and discover the best businesses to start this year.